Ever wondered if you can walk into a Westpac branch in the heart of New York City and open an account? Or perhaps you're an American looking to manage investments with a well-known Australian bank. The question, is there Westpac in USA, might seem simple, but the answer is a little more nuanced than a straight yes or no. Let's dive in. Westpac's global reach, more than meets the eye. Westpac Banking Corporation, often simply called Westpac, is one of Australia's big four banks and also a major player in New Zealand. It boasts a long and rich history, dating back to 1817, making it Australia's first bank. Naturally, with such a significant presence in its home region, it's common for people to assume it would have a widespread retail banking footprint in major global economies like the United States. But that's where the distinction lies. Westpac in the USA, institutional, not retail. So, to answer the main question directly, yes, Westpac does have a presence in the USA, but it's primarily for institutional and wholesale banking, not for individual retail customers. This is a crucial distinction. You won't find Westpac branches on every street corner in the US like you might find a Bank of America or Chase. Westpac operates in the United States through its Westpac Institutional Bank, WIB. Their main U.S. office is located in New York City, and they've had operations in the U.S. since 1970. This arm of Westpac focuses on providing a range of financial services to corporate clients, large businesses with connections to Australia and New Zealand. Institutional clients, think investment funds, pension funds, and other financial institutions. Government customers, entities involved in international trade or finance with Australasian ties. Their services in the U.S. primarily revolve around areas like debt markets, helping clients raise capital through various debt instruments. Foreign exchange, facilitating international currency transactions, especially those involving Australian and New Zealand dollars. Commodities products and services, dealing with raw materials trading and related financial instruments. Essentially, they're there to support and facilitate large-scale financial transactions and provide specialized solutions for clients with a business interest in Australia or New Zealand. Why the confusion? The confusion often arises because there are other, unrelated companies in the U.S. with Westpac in their name. For example, you might come across Westpac Companies, which is a real estate development and management firm based in California, or Westpac Wealth Partners, a wealth management firm with various locations across the U.S. These companies are not affiliated with the Australian Westpac Banking Corporation. It's a classic case of similar names causing a mix-up. So, if you're an individual looking to open a checking account, get a personal loan, or use typical everyday banking services, Westpac in the USA isn't set up for you. Their focus is squarely on the wholesale and institutional market, leveraging their expertise in Australasian financial markets for a global clientele. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.